See, I don't need to tell you that smartphones have become an integral part of our life, and what makes them powerful are the apps that we use on our phones. I love tech, and I'm always on the lookout for new apps that make our life a little easier. And being a dentist, I feel the need to share the apps that I use personally, which have helped me in dental school and now as a dental practitioner. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Arif Deshmukh. Welcome to the channel if it's your first time, and welcome back everyone else. In this video, I'm gonna share 5 free dental apps that will help dental students, assistants, hygienists, and dental practitioners. In this video, the apps I'll be mentioning are for iOS and iPad users, basically people who use iPhones and iPads. So it's an Apple exclusive video. In the next video, I'll be showing apps for the Android users, so bear with me till then. Another thing to note is that these apps are completely free, no in-app payments or any sort of subscriptions needed. So the first app is called DPR. DPR, that stands for Dental Panoramic Radiology. When you open the app, you have 3 options: surrounding structures, mandible, and the maxilla. Let's click on mandible. When you open mandible, in the app, when you click on mandible, there's an array of options. Let's click on inferior alveolar canal. When you click on inferior alveolar canal, you see a toggle on the top. If you off that toggle, the landmark goes away. If you on that toggle, the landmark is again seen. Then you have a slider here, which if you slide it to the left, you can see a 3D image of the X-ray. If you slide it again to the right, you can again see the 2D image. If you click on the X-ray here in the middle, you see a description of the landmark. Similarly, you can go back and check out the maxilla, the surrounding structures, and so on. So the second app is called Dental Dictionary by Phalex. You open the app and you're greeted with a simple UI. You click on the search tool here and type for any dental term. We're gonna type implant. Wait for a second, and then you have the definition, you have the classification, you have the images, and then a lot of information regarding what you have searched for. Neat app. The third app is called Dentistry Pro Consult. Let's open the app. You're greeted with a lot of options. There's radiology, there's restoration, and there's removal prosthodontics. In removal prosthodontics, let's click on the Hanau-Faisberg procedure. When you click on that, let's click on procedure. The entire procedure is given in text and also via images. And if you see in the lower left side, there's something called as play video. Let's click on that. And the entire procedure is demonstrated with a very nice video. I love it. And it's very useful. I'm just fast forwarding it right now. Yep. Let's go back to the main page. Then on the upper left side, you have these 3 lines. Let's click on that. Click on animations, and you have 4 animations: canine guidance, denture cusp movement, group function, and natural occlusions. Let's click on canine guidance and see what happens. Yes, you see the canine guidance happening via a video. Very useful to understand, and sometimes helpful to make the patients also understand. This canine guidance, again I'm fast forwarding it. Go back and see natural occlusions. Love this app, especially for these animations. So the fourth app is called Dental Drugs. Let's click on it. Remind me later. So this app is more like a reference for the commonly prescribed medicines or drugs in dentistry. You have antibiotics, you have analgesics, you have muscle relaxants, basically anything related to dentistry. Let's click on antibiotics. Let's click on amoxicillin clavulanate combination. When you click on that, you can see on the top the hepatic and the renal adjustments to be done, whether that drug is safe to be given during pregnancy. You have the indications, the doses, the strengths, instructions. A very useful app on the go. So the fifth and the final app is called Dental Anatomy. Let's click on that. You're greeted with a molar tooth and made with unity sign. There's a question mark on the top left side. Let's click on that, and it shows you different type of movements which you can use while navigating the app. Then there's a play button which shows you different type of working movements. Pretty neat. Let's go back. Then there's a Q letter which is basically allows you to analyze the tooth, and you can give a quiz. Exit. Then in the settings app, you can change the tooth numbering system for universal to FDI to Palmer. Let's go back. And then where the app excels is basically you can select one particular tooth, rotate it, zoom in, zoom out. You can basically use it and move according to how you want. If you see in the lower right side, there's a button, a play button. Click on that and you can change the color of the tooth. It resembles the first year dental anatomy lectures, the practicals where we had to carve the dental tooth in different colors of waxes given. Very similar to that. I'm gonna choose again, go back to the natural color. And for some very weird reason, we are in a desert with the sun overlooking us. I mean, weird, but okay, I like it. These apps may seem basic and may not have the best user interface, but considering that they are free and pack a lot of knowledge, I can't complain. Do let me know in the comment section below if you found these apps useful. Also comment some of the apps which you may be using which are not there in my list. And that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rap.